we wanted to make the easiest cooking show ever. Full of yummy recipes for everyone. Because cooking as a family or with friends brings us together. And coming together to share a meal, well, it's something we have been doing in almost every part of the world throughout history. So welcome to our perfectly imperfect kitchen.
Everything in one pot simmering allows time for rich flavours to develop. So grab a hefty pot and let's simmer together.
A minute longer and your dinner is done. So today, Megan, and for the countless others out there just like you, this is baking made easy. Believe me, it is worth the wait. Mix not 4, not 3, but just 2 ingredients together to make this batch of beautiful cupcakes. I don't have all the answers myself, but I do know that since having simplified things in the kitchen, my success rate has improved exponentially. We feel very lucky to live in an area surrounded by such natural beauty, and especially so today, because this is where we get to barbecue. It is our sincere wish that such recipes help you connect with your family and friends, bring you back together to share amazing meals and to celebrate. Because you know what, when we stop and look around, this life is really quite amazing.